Instead of allowing U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) to detain them, the state of California is setting dangerous criminal illegal aliens free. In response, President Donald Trump has released their worst nightmare. When a foreign national in the United States illegally is arrested on criminal charges, U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) can issue a detainer, a request that local law enforcement notify ICE before the illegal alien is released from custody, the White House said on Thursday. As a sanctuary state, California refuses to honor these detainers and instead releases criminal aliens back onto the streets, the White House explained in its release. In response, President Donald Trump has decided to release something as well. On Thursday, the president instructed the White House to release the rap sheets of the criminal illegals California is setting free so that the public can become intimately acquainted with the backgrounds of these rapists and murderers. In one case, an illegal immigrant was arrested for beating his girlfriend. However, when it came time to release him from jail, state police made sure that ICE would not be able to apprehend the suspect and subsequently deport him. He went on to murder his girlfriend in a matter of weeks. On August 2, 2017, the Santa Rosa Police Department in California arrested a citizen of Guatemala on charges of inflicting corporal injury to a spouse cohabitant and booked him into the Sonoma County Jail in Santa Rosa, California, stated the White House. ICE lodged a detainer the same day, they added. The next day at approximately 8:12 p.m. MPDT, a Sonoma County jail sergeant, called ICE and advised that the suspect would be released shortly, continued the Trump administration. At 8:36 p.m. PDT, Sonoma County Jail emailed ICE indicating his release. The jail provided ICE with only 24 minutes notice before it released the alien, despite the fact that the jail is located about 65 miles from the nearest ICE field office. ICE did not arrest the alien due to insufficient time given to respond, explained the release. On August 18, 2017, the Santa Rosa Police Department in California arrested the same individual as a suspect in the murder of his alleged girlfriend. He remains in Sonoma County Sheriff's custody with an ICE-lodged immigration detainer, said the White House. According to the Daily Caller, other stories detailed the accounts of illegal immigrants who molested children and sold drugs on the streets. On February 25, 2018, a citizen of Mexico was arrested near his residence in Stockton, California by ICE. On February 21, 2017, he was convicted of lewd and lascivious acts with a child under 14 and was sentenced to 180 days jail, said the White House. On February 14, 2018, a citizen of Mexico was arrested in Anaheim, California by ICE, the release went on. Previously, in 2004, he was convicted of lewd and lascivious acts with a minor under 14 and sentenced to 45 days in juvenile hall. No detainer was issued following this arrest, it continued. On August 10, 2016, he was convicted of felony possession of a controlled substance for sale and sentenced to 3 years as probation. An immigration detainer was lodged, but not honored. He was removed to Mexico on March 5, 2018, added the White House. When you take a look at the violent crimes these illegal immigrants are committing, many of them against American citizens, it is literally unfathomable that the state of California would work in direct opposition to federal immigration laws and officers in order to protect dangerous criminal illegals. However, that is precisely what the bleeding heart liberals on the left would have us do. They would have us put the feelings of these filthy illegals before the safety and well-being of American citizens. This is entirely deranged. California is sabotaging itself in the name of liberalism. Before long, the state will be no better than the slums of Mexico or Guatemala.